Say hello to modern living at Uncommon Wilmington, a premier student housing community where convenience meets comfort in Wilmington. Choose from their wide selection of 1, 2, and 4-bedroom apartments, each well-furnished to cater to all your needs. Squeeze in an intense workout at the fitness center and enter Zen mode at the yoga room. Grab a snack from the vending machines spread out around the property, or refuel at the coffee bar. Enjoy movie nights by the outdoor TVs. When that focus mood hits, head to the study rooms that are fully equipped for academic success, or dip into the resort-style swimming pool or lounge on the cabanas. Also, you'll forget all about extra bills when utilities are all-inclusive. Primely located at Playa Way in Wilmington, you'll never miss another class with the University of North Carolina Wilmington and College of Wilmington located just a short drive away. Convenient commute options available. Getting around will be easier than ever. So, grab your spot at Uncommon Wilmington in Wilmington now via amberstudent.com.